Okay, let's get going on triads. Okay, so there are four types of triads. Major, minor, diminished, and augmented. Okay, and just how all these other things, you can't see me very well, that's all right. Just how all these other things that we do as far as building chords and that, you have to have an understanding of your major scales. If you don't understand your major scales, you're really behind the eight ball. This is a great time to break out that grid that I've given you that shows the major scales and how to identify all the scale degrees. So when you're dealing with a major scale and you've got your scale degrees, 1 through 8, a triad is going to be, a major triad is that major scale using the first, the third, and the fifth note of the scale. That's your major triad. I'm going to reach over here real quick. Okay, we've done that a million times. You've played that. Okay, 1, 3, 5. So basically, all these other triads are just changes to some of the notes of the three that are in the major scale. So the major scale, for instance, if this was a C major scale, C, and then D would be the second, and then E, and then F is the fourth, and then G are the first 5 notes. So you take out the second and fourth note, 1, 3, 5 is C, E, G, which I just played for you. Cool? Okay, so we have this same 1, 3, 5. Everything's 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. The first note of the major scale, the third note, and the fifth note. First note, third note, fifth note. Only thing that changes is what we do to those notes. So for a minor, we take the third and we flatten it, or we lower it. It's important I say lower and not flatten, because if this note is already a sharp note, for instance, if we were building a D major triad, the notes would be, sorry, my markers have issues. The notes would be D, F sharp, and A. So if we were lowering it, we wouldn't make it a flat, we would just take the sharp away. So that's why I have to say lower instead of flat. Okay? Diminished. We flat the third, we flat the fifth. Augmented. We raise the fifth. Okay? So for a major triad, it's the normal 1, 3, 5. For a minor triad, it's 1, flat 3, 5. Diminished triad, 1, flat 3, flat 5. And augmented, normal 1, normal 3, and raised 5. Okay? Check out the next video, and I'll equate that to a major scale, and then I'll play them for you so you can hear them.